Let me show you a quick and easy way to sew a button back onto a shirt, whether it's a pop button on your favorite shirt or that loose one that's on your coat. I've got you covered. Let's grab our supplies. You'll need your fabric scissors, a hand sewing needle, your button, of course, and a spool of thread. Now carefully remove the old thread from your shirt placket. Grab your spool of thread. Be sure the color matches your old thread. Now get your hand sewing needle. And of course, your original or a replacement button. Now locate your button placement. Carefully thread the eye of your needle. It's okay if you don't get it the first time. Keep trying. Be sure to have a long double thread, but don't knot your ends. Now cut your threads close to the spool. Start from the wrong side of your garment and insert the needle into one of the original holes. Push your needle out through the correct side of the garment and out through one of the eyes of the button. Now pull your thread through, but be sure to leave a 2 to 3 inch lead of thread on the wrong side of the garment. Then push your needle down through the other eye of the button and out through the wrong side of the garment. Pull your thread through and be sure that your button is secured in place. And of course, repeat the process several times. And as always, take your time. Practice makes progress, not perfect. Once you have your button sewn and secured, let's tie off the ends on the wrong side of the garment. Be sure to cut your needle from your thread. Then tie your loose threads, knotting it several times. Then finally, cut your loose threads close to where you've stitched. And of course, examine the beautiful work you've done. And test your button to be sure it works.